Dear student, now we start MCQ practice of your science subject. Here it is, your unit number 1, and it is chemical reaction and its equation. In this set you will get 10 MCQ of each unit, and next set will be uploaded soon. So without wasting your time, take one pen and plain page for write down your answer. Here we go for first question. Magnesium ribbon is rubbed before burning because it has a coating of, your option is basic magnesium carbonate, basic magnesium oxide, basic magnesium sulfide, and basic magnesium chloride. I think you got the right answer. Go for the next question. Which of the following statement about the given reaction are correct? You can see the reaction on your screen, and also the statement for this reaction. Here I read statement one by one. Iron metal is getting oxidized for this reaction is correct. Water is getting reduced for this reaction is correct. Water is acting as a reducing agent for this reaction is correct. And last one, water is acting as oxidizing agent. Your option is first, second and third statement is correct. Third and fourth is correct. First, second and fourth is correct. Second and fourth is correct. So choose a right answer for this particular question, which is most timely for your exam. We will go for the next question. Oxidation is a process which involves addition of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. For among these all the option, this oxidation process involves which of these? Check time for this question. Write down right answer for this question. Okay. Give the ratio in which hydrogen and oxygen are present in water by volume. Your option is 1 gem 2, 1 gem 1, 2 gem 1, and 1 gem each. Hydrogen and oxygen ratio which will be present in water by volume. Remember that things, volume. Clear? When Ag is exposed to air, it gets black coating of, it means silver. AgNO3, Ag2S, Ag2O, Ag2CO3. These are the option of particular questions. So write down a right answer for this question. Here we go for the next question. You can see the reaction or equation on your screen. So let's identify the substance oxidized in particular equation. Oxidized substance you have to identify, and for that particular equation you have an option. First one is MnCl2, second one HCl, H2O, MnO2. Clear? Here we go for the next question. What type of chemical reaction take place when electricity is passed through the water? Your option is displacement, combination, decomposition, double displacement. So these are the options for particular question. Read the question carefully. Chemical reaction take place when electricity is passed through water. Okay, here we go for next question. Select the oxidizing agent for the following reaction. You can see the reaction on your screen, and for this reaction, which oxidizing agent is used? H2, H2S, HIS. To find out the oxidizing agent for this particular reaction. Next question is, a substance X is used in whitewashing and is obtained by heating limestone in the absence of air. So identify that X. Your option is CaOCl2. Second option is CaOH, it means calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So choose the right option for this particular question. Here we go for the next question. The process of reduction involves, reduction process involves addition of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Write down your answer in your page. I think you all write your answer in your page. So let's we check. Here it is, the answer key of all the 10 questions. Check your answer and compare the answer sheet will be displayed on your screen. Check it. If you have more than 6 answers is correct, it will be good, and you have to practice each and every chapter like this. If you are poor in this particular test, then repeat that test and you will get better result. Hope you all enjoy this session. Thank you.